Hey beautiful people, thank you for stopping by. My name is Sasha Gay and today we are going to be doing an unboxing video with a little twist. I will also be doing the review because I have not been on here for a little while and I'm trying to, shrink the workload. But before I get into all of that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified as soon as I upload a video. Drop me a comment if you have anything to say and let's get into the video.
But in the midst of all his enemies, so you keep me firm and strong. Bad mind and jealousy just get defeat. So you keep me firm and strong.
This is a curl box and this was a specialty box. I don't remember if it was October. I think it was a specialty box in October. And it featured some products that I've never tried and it's a line that I always wanted to try. And this is MIELLE Organics. Let me show you exactly what came in the curl box though. Alright, so 5 products came in the box. The first product that I'm going to use is the hair mask. It's a detox mask and you should apply it to the roots of your hair and the end and leave for 15 minutes. I didn't shampoo or anything because I did not notice a shampoo in the box and I did not do any research to see if there should be a shampoo. But my hair is like 2-day post a wash day. But I used some products that really and truly did not do so great in my opinion. I'll get to those later on. So I'm re-washing my hair because I don't like how it feels and all of that. So I left this on. I didn't shampoo again because my hair was feeling kind of dry. So I didn't shampoo again. I just put on this clay mask and leave it on for 15 minutes. My hair feels very nice, very moisturized. As you can see, my curl is really popping. And for me, that is a sign of hydrated hair. So I left it on for 15 minutes already and I just applied a little more to my scalp because it's a detox mask, so it should be able to do some amount of cleaning or detoxification, and I'm going to now rinse. I'll be right back. Alright, so apparently this thing was not recording, so I'm just going to show you what I applied to my hair. I have this one final section to do. After rinsing out the clay mask, I went in with this split end therapy. Then I went in with the Moisturizing Milk. I'm just going to add a small bit of this to the ends again. Not too much. Oh, then I used the Alicane Naturals lemongrass. This lemongrass holding styling gel to do a wash and go. Alright, so curl box as I said, and I already tried these products. This is a specialty box, by the way. This is a specialty box by CURLBOX, and I think this is the October Specialty box. And it featured the MIELLE line of products, and this is the Rice Water Collection. So the first product that I used was the clay mask, and I did not use a shampoo prior to using this product. and I really enjoyed it. I was able to detangle my hair. It's a detox mask, and I have not used one of those in a very long time. I remember a good while back, maybe when I just went natural, using the bentonite clay, and that made my scalp hella itchy, and I've never tried a clay mask after that. But I tried this, and I tried it without any shampoo and no conditioner. I went straight in with this product, and my hair felt very amazing. My scalp feels very good right now. It's not itchy, it's not burning me. I was also able to detangle with it, and my hair feels clean, I guess. It doesn't really feel squeaky, but as I said, I don't have any scalp problems at this time, and my hair feel really moisturized and felt moisturized immediately after I washed it out, and also maintained. The second product I went in with was the split end therapy, and I use this as kind of like a leave-in or a straightening cream. This is to mend split ends, and when I applied it to my hair, it immediately made my hair kind of hard, like a harsh protein, how it would when you put on a very strong protein. But when I went in with the following product, it was perfectly fine. So the next product that I went in with was the Moisturizing Milk, and I really enjoyed this. My hair felt very moisturized, it felt very smooth, it smelled really nice, a very faint but still sweet, minty kind of smell, a really good smell, nothing overpowering, and very much amazing. There was no styling products per se, so I just did a quick wash and go, and all I did was to go in with a gel from Alikay Naturals, and my hair felt very detangled, very moisturized. I was confident enough to go in with a gel and got this beautiful wash and go you see here. Now this is about, I would say 60% dry, because the ends are more so dry than the middle. The middle is pretty damp, but it is a really cute defined wash and go that I have right now. Have no problems with it. I went in while my hair was soaking wet with the Shine Mist, and I guess this is just basically to boost shine, add shine but also hydration. Oh, it says it had shine and hydration and prevents flyaways. Well, I spread my hair with this and I don't have any frizz or anything. It's very smooth, very shiny. Oh, it says it's perfect for rehydrating curls, so I can also use this tomorrow. All right, so my hair feels really good. I don't have any shiny residue or greasy residue. After I've touched my hair, it has a little crunch but not too much. I'll get a few days out of this wash and go. So overall, I really enjoyed these products, the ones I've mentioned. The next product is a multivitamin. It's a healthy hair vitamin, not multi. I don't know what I was talking about. Come on, thing. Yeah, so it's a hair vitamin. I'm not so sure if I will be taking this because I'm not too big on supplements. So I take minimal supplements. Yeah, I don't need it, so I don't take it. If it not broke, don't fix it, I guess. So I don't know if I'll be using the multivitamin. I'll give you an update if I do decide to. But everything else that I tried, I thoroughly enjoyed. So far, I don't see anything in this line that I would not repurchase, because the entire combination felt very good. I don't have any problems with any other products. I will definitely say that my favorite is the moisturizing lotion, then the mask, then the moisturizing lotion. I don't even know if it's in any particular order now, because I just really liked those two. Yeah, and that's it. Hey guys, so today is day 3. It's day 3 of this wash and go. I must say I'm really enjoying it. My hair is very shiny. Sorry, it's the driver in me. My hair is very shiny. The hold is more so on the firm side than stiff or hard. I feel like I could get away for 2 weeks with this wash and go based on how it's feeling. It's not dry, it's not tough, but it feels firm, and it's puffing up very, very, very gradually. It's a very slow puffing up of my hair right now. But as it relates to how the MIELLE products work, I will say it was really, really good. My hair is moisturized. I still have I really don't smell it. I don't smell the products anymore, but I did use the refresher spray just to, you know, increase the hydration level, because this is 3 days now. So even though my hair wasn't feeling dry or anything, I just wanted to ensure that I added some moisture back to my hair, and that I did, and it feels nice and leave a little hint of the smell of the product. Well, not so much right now, I didn't smell anything just now. But I like the products, and I like the smell, and I love my result. So see ya. You have made it to the end of another video, guys. You deserve a clap for that. Clap yourself, clap yourself. Overall, I really enjoyed the MIELLE line of products. I will be using them until the end of the product, and possibly buying back some things. Alright, but don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the content, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that post notification so that you can be notified as soon as I upload a video. Drop me a comment if you have anything to say, and I'll see you on another video. Bye. Merry Christmas when it comes, and Happy New Year, and happy belated birthday to me.